Thanks for checking out 3D Products. I'm Donald Williams. This segment we're going to be using Finishing Polish by AAT 502 on this hood of the car we already did 501 cutting compound with. We're going to then remove all the light holograms and swirl marks. Now we did this with the 501 and the K-58SBK, which was the white spider pad we used to remove all these scratches. So you're going to notice this is a wool pad marks right here. You can see the difference here. This is what it's like to cut and correct the wool pad. Now it cuts faster and leaves an even cut. And then this is with the foam pad. Cuts a little slower, but then it jumps to the second step. So all we're really going to be doing with this is eliminating a light hologram. So we're going to take the 502 and we're going to take the K-58SBK spider pad. Opens up nice and even. Now before I do this, I like to make sure that there's nothing in my pad. So I'm going to do a light brush out here. Make sure there's nothing on it. We're using today, again, 502, 501. We're actually doing a detail. This is not really body shop. This is actual detailing. So we're showing the capabilities of this product as a detailing product. Give it 2 quick little sprays with spray detailer. If you want, you can use our final touch as well. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little drops here. Again, the product goes a long way. So really, we're going to remove light little scratches, most likely probably from the towel mark when I was wiping down the compound, and then these light faint holograms. I'm going to run it at 1,000 RPM, and I want to finish going the direction of the vehicle. So I'm going to go up and down, and because of how well the compound cut out and was finishing with the white finishing pad, I don't really have to spend a whole lot of time with my polish. Really what I got to do is cover a nice even area here and just make sure I keep my pad nice and flat, make sure I don't get any more holograms. Now to ensure that you guys see a really good definition between the finished part and the compounded part, I just want to give you guys a little quick heads up here. I put a piece of tape on here. Just make sure we run right up to it so you can see between the 3 stages here, the polish, the compound, what the product looked like before we did any compounding, and then just the light removal of the holograms from the foam pad and the 501. Lower this real quick, up and down. Nice back and forth overlapping motions. So nice and easy. You can see right off the bat the difference between the polish and the wool pad marks. Kind of remove the tape residue here. And then we're going to use prep ball real quick. Give you guys a nice look at there being no fillers. So you can see how it looked for the wool pad, coming down to the polish and corrected areas. And then right here from you can see the holograms from the foam pad, cutting these out. Jumping over to the real finished product, see a nice deep color, some pitting, but that's nothing that the compound polish is going to do. And then if you look up top here, this is how it looked prior. We appreciate you taking this time to check out 502 AAT Finishing Polish as a detailing. Now this is a rental car, it's pretty much beat up, goes through the same car wash, I would say 2 or 3 times a week. Nobody really cares too much about it, and I doubt that there's any wax ever put on this car. So it really was a good test to really show the power and strength of the 500 series. Again, like us, share us on Facebook, go to a friend, let them know that what we have here. That way you can share and keep up to date as well with all of 3D's latest and greatest innovative car care products to make your job a lot easier, a lot nicer, and actually take care of pretty much most everyone's most expensive or second most expensive purchase they'll ever make. Until next time, I'm Donald Williams, and we'll see you soon.